everyone, today I would like to introduce to you a super large capacity Euro 3 emission standard compressed garbage truck. This 20 cubic meter compressed garbage truck adopts real double axle chassis and is equipped with a Cummins 217 horsepower engine, fast 10-speed gearbox, more stable power output, 11 steel wheel tires, durable and strong bearing capacity. The upper body box is made of Q345 high-strength manganese steel, which is lightweight and has good wear resistance. The skateboard cylinder is externally designed for easy maintenance. The new crushable scraper has two-way peristaltic compression. Central and rear sewage tanks prevent sewage from overflowing. The optional flipping bucket mechanism at the rear can flip three 214L square plastic trash cans and one 660L square plastic trash can at the same time. Install an air control steering cover to prevent odor leakage. Are you attracted by this efficient, convenient, and excellent performance compressed garbage truck? Come and experience its excellent performance.